Hello, this is Diecast Looney. Good afternoon. And today we're going to take a look at another 5-pack from Matchbox. As I said, I'm going to start doing a mainline Monday or basic Matchbox Monday, whatever you want to call it, every week now. But yes, got this morning. Fairly slim pickings today as it's coming up to Christmas now, obviously, as you all know. And there wasn't a lot left on the shelf, but I got this. It's pretty cool. So anyway, let's get straight into it. So the cars we got are, let's have a look, we got a 76 International Scout 4x4. We got a Jeep Cherokee. This is a sheriff type car. It's like some sort of police sheriff's car by the looks of it. We got the 68 Ford Mustang GT CS. We got, can't see it, 74 Volkswagen Type 181. And that one is a sand shredder. I would call it a quad myself, but still. So anyway, let's get into it. Just quick pause so I don't struggle with the box. And here they are. So the first one we're going to take a look at is the 76 International Scout, which I presume is this one. Yeah, it's cool. Lifted vehicle. Yeah, I've not seen one of these before. You've got some seat belts going on. You've got a spare wheel. Yeah, really cool. Yeah, so this is the 76 International Scout. And on the base it has 2012 copyright. Yeah, really cool. But yeah, I quite like that. And then the second one is going to be this, is the Jeep Cherokee. Yeah, I haven't got many vehicles like this at all. I thought it was a police vehicle, it's not. That's my mistake. But yeah, it's really cool, it's different. What we got on the bottom? We got 2017 copyright, Jeep Cherokee. Yeah, that looked good with the trailer one from the last episode that I've got. I can put the trailers to that. Yeah, that's really cool. Third one is going to be the 68 Ford Mustang in a lovely sort of sparkly metallic green. It's got the same lights on it as what they do on the it's got the same lights as what you would have on the Shelbys. It's quite strange. What's that one about? So this one is 68 Ford Mustang GT CS. Yeah, it's really cool. So yeah, the lights on these, I thought that was the only lights they did on that was on when they were a Shelby. Wow. Yeah, cool. And the third one is going to be the 74 Volkswagen Type 181. This is a cool casting. I've actually got one of these in a green colour. Yeah, it's even got, if I can get my camera to pick it up, it's even got pedals. You can see the handbrake, the gear lever, and you can see the pedals. Wow. They've gone really to town on this. That's really cool. And that has 2007 copyright Mattel Volkswagen Type 181 1974. But yeah, that's my new favourite one out of the lot today. I'm really quite impressed to see pedals. I'm going to take a look at that again. Yeah. You don't even see that on the premium stuff. Very cool. And the last one is the Matchbox version of this sand shredder. It's got, let's see on the side of it, cliff. So it must be something to do with that. It's like a rescue vehicle. So these two are rescue vehicles. But yeah, another cool one. It's quite weighty. 2012 copyright. Doesn't really say much else. But yeah, so that was the 5-pack, and then I've got a bonus car I just picked up because I just like the look of it. Even though this is a Matchbox segment today, I also picked up this 70 Dodge Charger, but I just thought it was really cool, so I picked it up. So we'll have a quick look at that one as well as an extra bonus. Yeah, it's really cool. I like the way they've actually included the sort of raised part on the door. It says RT. This here says Hemi 426, and it's got like a tinted windows. I thought it had like a black chrome to it, but I don't think it has. I think it's just straight chrome, but yeah, really cool. I do like Dodge Chargers, and the lovely metallic blue. Great big 5-spoke, big 5 gold spoke, tongue-tied, 5-spoke in gold. It just says 70 Dodge Charger, 2010 copyright Mattel. But anyway, that was a bonus vehicle. Enough of my ranting on. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.